Thursday, November 8th, 2018. You're looking at a 2016 F150 Super Crew. Had it in yesterday for the 5th time regarding the frozen door problem with F150. So either the doors won't open because the latch systems are frozen, or they won't latch shut. I've had Ford's latest fix, 18N03, which apparently they're putting on vehicles rolling off the assembly line that I was basically promised would fix this issue. This is the first day after it's below freezing point this morning. I'm at the passenger rear door, and I open it, and it bounces off the truck. Won't latch closed. So clearly Ford's 5th fix on my truck does not work. So we had the door not wanting to latch closed on the truck, bouncing off the truck. I pushed the lock lever down, and now it won't open from the truck. So if I take this guy, push the unlock button, push it a couple times, you can hear it clicking. Still won't unlock. Other doors unlock just fine. Let's go around and we'll try to open it from the inside. Try this door. That's working okay. We'll go in over to this door. We'll undo. In fact, this won't even go up or down. I mean, if you look at this one, see how high up it is? It goes up and down, no problem. This guy here, just stuck. Door won't open.